Mastering everyday phrases. The secret to going to bed early. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but essential English phrase, to go to bed early. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding everyday phrases can significantly boost your fluency. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. To go to bed early is a phrase that sounds straightforward but carries specific cultural and contextual meanings. At its core, it means to retire for the night sooner than usual or earlier than the societal norm. This phrase is often associated with good health habits, the discipline of time management, and sometimes the necessity of an upcoming early start. Before we delve deeper, let's talk about why going to bed early is often advised. Sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. Going to bed early can help improve memory, increase energy levels, and even enhance your mood. It's a simple practice with profound benefits for your overall well-being. When talking about daily routines or giving advice, you can incorporate to go to bed early into your sentences. For example, I try to go to bed early to feel refreshed in the morning. My doctor recommended going to bed early to improve my health. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to different subjects and intentions, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. In different English-speaking cultures, the exact meaning of early can vary. For some, going to bed before 10 p.m. might be considered early, while for others, any time before midnight might fit the bill. It's important to understand the context when using or interpreting this phrase. Additionally, you might come across variations like hit the hay early or turn in early, which are more colloquial but carry the same meaning. We hope this exploration of the phrase, to go to bed early, enriches your understanding and usage of English in everyday conversations. Remember, mastering common phrases like this is a step closer to fluency and feeling comfortable in any English-speaking environment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice your English daily. See you in our next video.